everybody, welcome back to StarGirl Beauty channel. If this is your first time here in our channel, please remember to subscribe, and I hope my video will be informative and will be helpful for you. Now, today I want to focus on one of the skincare issue, and it is a big topic: anti-aging. What are the top 15 things that you really need to look into if you are very interested in anti-aging, right? And then I will make sure all these 15 things are being carefully covered in our skincare ingredient series. All right, so that's a deal. So this is probably going to be a 3-part mini series, a 3-part video, because there is just too many things, and I also have to show you some of the products. Otherwise it's going to be a 1-hour long video, so nobody wants to see that. So are you ready? Anti-aging. Do you know actually there are 2 kinds of aging? First one, it's called intrinsic aging. This kind of aging, it's determined by genetics. It's out of our control, nothing we can do about it. The signs of this kind of aging does not hit until we are 50 years old or above. But what this aging process does to us is it will reduce our skin's elasticity, cause fine line and wrinkles, a little bit of sagging, and will make our skin becoming thinner and thinner, and it will slow down our skin turnover. But our skin shouldn't have a lot of hyperpigmentation, shouldn't have enlarged pores and all those issues. Some people's case, this kind of aging also cause pale, they have becoming very pale looking skin, but it's not that dramatic. Now, the second kind of aging, it's what we need to be very careful with. The second kind is called the extrinsic aging. This extrinsic aging process, it's determined by, you ready? Our lifestyle and the environmental factors, which is major. Largely, it is under our control. We can actually do something about it. When we say we do something to age better, it is this kind of extrinsic aging process that we are talking about. Now, mainly, it's like your diet, or if your lack of sleep, or if you are a heavy smoker, or even though you smoke, or you go out of lots of sun exposure, these kind of things will cause rapid aging. And this kind of aging, let me tell you the effects. It can hit you even when you're 20. These kind of aging effects are very dramatic, such as all those hyperpigmentation, very enlarged pores, the just bad skin, very coarse skin, peeling, all kinds of things, heavy, deep wrinkles, that kind of things. So therefore, when we talk about anti-aging and we want to delay the aging process, it's this kind of aging that we're talking about, because we can actually change our lifestyle, we can actually change our habits and use good skincare products that can help us with it. And that's good news. So now we understand there are actually 2 kinds of aging. We can't do anything that it's determined by our genetics, but we can do everything about the second kind, extrinsic aging, that is caused by our lifestyle, habit, our environmental issue, and things like that. So when it comes to that, not only that, there are a lot of supplements that you can take in, like, of course, anything that we talk about, collagen, vitamin C, green tea, you can actually ingest those supplements, like Q10, CoEnzyme, all those ingredients. So since there are 15 ingredients that I want to mention in this video, I really don't think I can finish them all, so let's just do a little bit in each part. Now we are in part 1. The first ingredient that is the best for anti-aging, it's vitamin B, all kinds of vitamin B, because vitamin B actually convert food into the energy, and then it fuel our body to process and give us healthy and firm skin. All vitamin B derivatives are very, very essential for healthy skin, healthy hair, and healthy nails. You heard about that. And then there are different kinds of vitamin B. B2, B3, B5, B12. It's mainly I want to talk about in skincare, right? B2 is actually found in mushroom and spinach. So if you eat a lot of mushroom and spinach, you are absorbing a lot of B2. But do you know skincare products also includes mushroom? You know, like one of the brand that's called, what is it called? Volition Beauty. In Sephora, you can find that Volition Beauty or The Origins. They have mushroom in their skincare product, and that is your B2. And then also spinach, right? And you don't want to pile up spinach on your face, but when it comes to skincare, if your skincare product contain lots of spinach, that you know you will have B2 in your skincare product. Like Youth to the People, that brand has a lot of spinach, superfood, that kind of thing in their skincare. So if you want, you can look into Youth to the People, that's the brand. And I'm sure a lot of other brands also put spinach in their skincare products. So now you know. After B2, it is B3. B3 is mainly niacinamide. And niacinamide, we already covered that in our skincare ingredient series, one of the episodes. It's about talking niacinamide. So you know niacinamide, it's very, very good for your skin. So it is one of the vitamin B. And B5, also it's very important. B5 is a panthenol humectant. B5 humectant is like a huge, very, very hydrating factor your face needs. So remember B5, right? So I think B5 is, I shared with you the Drunk Elephant B-Hydra serum that has a lot of complex of vitamin B, and that will have B5 too. And I think I actually have something here to B5 later on. And then the next one is B12. B12 is something to deal with our dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So I need to look for I need to look for skin products that has B12 because that will deal with a lot of hyperpigmentation, discoloration, and dark spots. B12, okay, we'll remember that. When these vitamin Bs are in our skincare products, our damaged cells can heal and regenerate far more quickly than when we don't have that in our skincare products. So if we put all these vitamin Bs in our skincare product, it's very good. It's why it will heal, it will regenerate, right? But if you are lacking deficiency on your skin, what will happen is, number one, cause acne. It will also cause rashes. It will cause dry and flaky skin. It will also cause cracked, chapped lips, and also wrinkles. So remember, vitamin B is very, very important. Now, when it comes to food, we all love to eat bananas. Banana actually has a lot of vitamin B in it, all kinds of vitamin B. It's like a complex mixed in. So, like I look in different articles, and a lot of people actually really like the Glow recipe, banana souffle cream, which is the vitamin B, has a lot of vitamin B. Look at it, this one. Yeah, banana souffle moisture cream. It's calming and very hydrating. Glow recipe. So look at the box. Yep, so that's it. Vitamin B. It's your banana. I already tried a sample of this product. I love it, and that's why I bought a full size. It smells just like banana. Now, can you smear your banana onto your face? I'm not sure about that. Don't quote me on that. Alright, so the second essential ingredient for anti-aging is, you ready? CoEnzyme Q10. We also talked about CoEnzyme Q10 on our channel here before. Main function of this CoEnzyme Q10 main function is to promote collagen, and we all know collagen is so important. It's one of the most important protein in our skin to keep our skin firm, plumping, the youthful looking, bouncy, all those collagen, right? Collagen. But so coenzyme Q10 is to boost up, to promote your collagen. So that's why coenzyme Q10 is very important. You can also take supplement. A lot of people take supplement, but important to put into your skincare product. Listen, coenzyme Q10, aka vitamin Q. That's why it's called Q10, right? That's why it's actually vitamin Q. It is present in every body cell. So our body cell already has this vitamin Q, this coenzyme Q10. It is a very, very powerful antioxidant protection element that we need, and it also helps to build the foundation, collagen, to have healthy and youth-looking skin. Natural coenzyme Q10 level diminishes as we age. We know that collagen, coenzyme, all those things. So as we grow aging, we're losing it big time. Deficiency. If you fall behind a certain level, the deficiency of coenzyme Q10, it is unable to properly produce collagen and the elastin. Collagen and elastin is the most important building blocks for healthy skin. When it comes to the product coenzyme Q10, I find one a lot of people like. It's called, I'm going to put a picture up here because I don't have that product. The brand is called It's Skin. It's Skin is a Korean brand that has a lot of this Power 10 formula, and it's really good. I really should buy a few, but I just haven't done it. This one is Power 10 formula Q10 Effector, and you can find it in Yes Style, and the bottle is like about this size, not bad, $10. But in terms of myself, what I have, I just recently bought this Timeless Q10 serum because I know coenzyme Q10 is very important to the skin, so I went ahead and buy it. And this one, actually, a lot of people really, really love it, and it really works and good. And I think I also share with you guys about the Inkey list, Q10 serum that I used all up, and it was so very good. When I was using it, I feel that my skin was all toned up. Now, if you haven't seen my review for the Inkey list skincare brand, please go back and watch it so that you know that Q10 serum, what is it doing. So again, next time in our weekly giveaway, when you see this product or when you receive this coenzyme Q10, you understand this is the second essential ingredient that you need for anti-aging. So please make sure you use sheet mask coenzyme Q10. Now, actually, I'm going to give you like 15 things, but they're really not in particular order. They're all equally essential, 15 things. The best is our skincare products contain all these 15 things. Then we can have a peace of mind. Copper. The copper is not the cooking pan, those expensive copper cooking pan, the metal. We're not talking about that metal. It is the copper, the element that found in our body itself. Our skin cells, do you know, actually contains this copper element. The main function of copper is to prevent sagging. Oh, I need it. And because the copper, it's binding the proteins together. Copper is very important for collagen formation. You lack copper, your collagen is not going to be linked up, not going to be bind up, and it's just going to sag, right? So it also, copper supports skin to prevent sagging and to fill in wrinkles. Yeah, mainly deal with sagging, and without sagging, you won't have that many wrinkles either, right? So let's say I am now aging. I have damaged collagen. I don't have enough. So if I put copper into my skincare routine, copper peptides, right? Putting into my skincare, I actually can repair it and repair my collagen formation, and then I can actually achieve a younger looking, more elastic, more pumping skin, and less wrinkle, less fine line. An excellent ingredient for improving the look of sun-damaged skin and scars too. Yeah, it just repair your skin, okay? Repair your collagen, and then you rejuvenate, and all that thing just happens all at once. And it is actually a very good alternative for retinols. In case you can't use any retinols, but you really want to have some faster cell turnover, rejuvenation ability, then you can really look into copper. The Ordinary actually has a buffet. Now, in my previous review from the brand, I actually showed you the product that I really love is the buffet, but now they reformatted it. They added the copper peptides with the buffet. 1%. So you can find that in Sephora, and I am loving it, and so that's why I already bought it. I already know copper peptides is very, very good for anti-aging. It's very, very good. I mean, if you need to pick top 5 ingredient for anti-aging, these will be in the top 5, I am sure. Copper peptides, please remember that, copper peptides, right? So this one is how much? $28. Put in a lot of good stuff for you, right? Copper peptides 1%. It has the matrixyl. It has matrixyl 3000. It has the hyaluronic acid. It has amino acids. It has some bioderivatives, and you know, they put in a lot of things in this little bottle. So I'm sure this one, it's going to be good. So I am going to use it. Copper peptide. Copper peptides prevent skin sagging. Okay, so I know I only covered 3 ingredients and we still have like more to go, but I think I'm going to stop here for the first part, and please come back for the second and third part and we'll finish that up. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in part 2 and part 3, anti-aging. All right, don't forget to be the star of the show. Thank you.